What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Overture's matte PLA in matte white. This is one of the older Overture boxes, as you can see, because it has the sticker on the seal, which I find personally annoying, but I also open a lot of filament. So anyway, we're going to get this opened, and do like the fact that it comes in a nice cardboard spool, that it has pretty easy to open, those easy open tabs. Would prefer a resealable one, but, you know, look, I get it. Beggars can't be choosers on this one. So anyway, we got this open. As you can see here, it's a nice matte white. Very, very clear. There is an issue there with the cardboard has to be kind of bent back a little bit, just because in the AMS that can cause a little bit of an issue. But overall, that's pretty good. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this dry, because here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and I'm here back with the Benchy. Anyway, this one, as you know, we always start out by printing a Benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case generic PLA. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get that. I apparently forgot to get that sliced in the video, so in the screen record. Oh, no. Yeah, I forgot to get that sliced. Anyway, it would take a little bit under an hour. Anyway, as you can see here, we got the Benchy and all the other test prints done. There was a little bit of stringing, a couple of minor, small imperfections that we're going to see about rectifying. There at the bottom, you can see some of the text had some issues by the looks of it, and there's that little chip there that, for whatever reason, couldn't figure out what that came from. So we're going to try and rectify some of that as we move forward. This is the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters, cubed in spiral Voss mode. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the temperature tower, and the temp tower for this one, the best one, looks to be right at 200 degrees. Again, everything that I shifted is in the description down below for any of the changes I made to the profile. Next up, we have the retraction test. There was some artifacting there at the first layer, but other than that, nothing really major to write home about. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test, and for this one was 20 millimeters cubed per second, without any sort of loss of like lines or anything like that. So overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the overhang test. So the overhang test did fail for whatever reason. I think it lifted off of the build plate and then got stuck there at the in the nozzle a little bit. So that's why you had that globbing. So just be prepared that that could potentially happen. Next up, we had got those things dialed in and reprinted the Benchy. Again, everything I changed is down below. Overall, I'd say pretty good. We were able to handle that little texture thing and that kind of thing. So as a time of filming, you can pick this up on Amazon for less than $17. Again, link is in the description down below. Overall, looks like it's pretty good. Nice matte white color, that kind of thing. So my overall thoughts, though, are like, look, Overture is pretty good with their filament. I really haven't had too many issues, apart from some issues with overhang, but that sometimes happens. But if you're looking for a nice matte white, this one's pretty good. I can't complain about it. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. This is Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here at the next full review. Be sure to be kind to each other and print all the stuff. So I'll see you next time. Thanks.